Hi, it's Tony. You're in Pop Pop's workshop. Today, an unboxing of a sample kit. I requested some samples from PowerPro, and this is what I got. Now, of course, I've been into it. I cheated, but there was a t-shirt in there. I love t-shirts. I love hats. So, yeah, this was coming out right away. Sorry, guys. You're not going to see that in the box, but it was in the box. So, let's take a look and see what we got. Now, when I requested these samples, I was looking to find another option for some pocket hole screws. Why that didn't come to me, I don't know, but pocket hole screws. And so they did do that for me. They sent these number 7 1.5 pocket hole screws. So I've got that's samples, people. That's samples. So they sent me those. We've used quite a few of these. These are the number 8 1.25 inch. We've got 2 inches and I think some 2.5s. A variety of sizes here, even some 5/8. Very handy little screws. But they're great. So these are going to go with what I've already got. They're going to last me a little bit. In fact, these screws in different lengths are what put this workbench together. So I've got them all screwed down. In fact, these are some of the 1.25 inch screws are holding down the top so that I can unscrew it, take it off, because I've messed a few things up and it's taken some damage. So eventually it'll get replaced, put back down with these screws. Other than that, we've got some cabinet screws here, 1.25 inch. We even have some 1.25 inch premium interior wood screws. So a variety of different screws in here, cabinet style, normal styles, a nice marker, Sharpie marker. Who doesn't like a branded Sharpie marker? You can never have enough Sharpie markers. It just can't happen. And in the wood shop, you'd love to have a carpenter's pencil as a backup for marking of different things. And a koozie. This is for your favorite cold beverage in the shop. I say what that is. Could be anything. You choose. So that's the sample pack from PowerPro. So if you guys haven't tried these fasteners out, I highly recommend them. As I said, I was just looking for a sample to see about replacing pocket hole screws with something different. And yeah, I got that and a whole lot more. So very generous. Thank you, PowerPro, for supporting the industry the way you do and this incredibly generous sample kit. So thanks again. Hopefully you guys are maybe opening up some samples at your shop today. And if you are, let us know what they are. So have a great day in the shop. If you get a chance to maybe like and subscribe to our channel, that really helps out the channel. We'd appreciate that. We never take for granted that you've spent your time here in the shop with us. That means a lot. So thank you very much. And remember, you can do this.